Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a parent to your account on the MyMonii application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on this first button down below when you are at your home screen, and after that click on the Add Parent to Family button at the bottom of the screen. Then you should choose a family role, whether you would like to add your mother or father to your account. Then click on the button next down below. After that, you should allow the app to have access to your contacts, and then you should enter the name or phone number of your parents. So after that you should click on the invite button, and then your parent will be invited to the app. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.